John 5:46. If you believed Moses, you would believe me, for he wrote about me. In these statements, Jesus is not merely interpreting Scripture. He is asserting that he is the central subject of all the sacred writings of the Old Testament. No one else made this claim across history. No prophet, teacher, or religious leader ever claimed that the entire Old Testament was written about them. Moses never claimed that the Torah was about himself. David wrote the Psalms, but never claimed that all of them were about him. Isaiah, Jeremiah, and other prophets spoke of the coming one, but they did not point to themselves. Only Jesus said that all Scripture from Genesis to Malachi is about him. Prophecies fulfilled by Jesus. Alone, Jesus not only claimed that the Scriptures are about him, he fulfilled prophecies that were written hundreds of years before his birth. Here are a few key examples. Born of a virgin, Isaiah 7:14. The virgin will conceive and give birth to a son and will call him Emmanuel, fulfilled in Matthew 1:22-23. Be born in Bethlehem, Micah 5:2. But you, Bethlehem, out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel, fulfilled in Matthew 2:1. See, suffer for sins of others, Isaiah 53. This chapter describes a suffering servant who would be pierced for our transgressions, led like a lamb to the slaughter, and bear the sins of many. Jesus fulfilled this on the cross. De-crucifixion described in Psalm 22. They pierced my hands and my feet. They divide my garments among them. Written by David 1,000 years before Jesus and fulfilled in Matthew 27:35. 4. The unity of the Bible points to Christ. The Old Testament predicts Christ.